front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now, firstly, to add an audio file, use this little icon of a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Then select audio at the top and pick one of your sounds over here. Select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, to add an audio file, just hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, click on the same icon, just this time click on Videos at the top, or look for your videos in one of those apps or one of those sources. Then hold the chosen one and hit Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!